What's happening, people? Thanks for clicking play. My name is Daniel, and this is my YouTube channel. I've been working as a filmmaker and a photographer for over 10 years now, and I've had the opportunity to learn from and work with people from all over the world, and I've been blessed to be part of some pretty cool projects along the way. I wanted to create this channel for people who are like me, or not like me. Whoever's watching, actually, that's who the channel's for. In all seriousness, I wanted to create a channel for people who are serious about their craft and want to become the best versions of themselves day in and day out. So whether you are a content creator just starting out or already working as a professional, maybe you're a small business owner or a young family person or just started a channel like me. My goal is to explore positive ideas that can help us as content creators and as individuals. I'll be reviewing products that I find helpful. I'll also be shooting a few tutorial videos to help you better your skills. And I'll also be sharing real-life stories from my experiences as a commercial filmmaker and a family man. But the best part of all this is I'm learning too. And what better way to master your craft than to create content on a regular basis? Or at least that's my plan. Not to mention creating content's actually kind of fun. Unless you have to do like 48 takes, like I did with this video. So with all of that, I hope that this channel can be a positive source of information for you, or maybe just some good entertainment. If you want to be part of the fun, make sure you click that like button, subscribe, and you might as well turn on the notifications too, so that you can stay up to date with my latest videos. Please? That's all for now. Until next time, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.